So a certain student sold key lime pies to raise money. She sold 75 pies, some at full price and some at a discount. What did she make for her total revenue? So the number of pies that she sold at the full price, we'll call it F, plus 75 minus that number of pies, because the number of pies at the full price plus the number of pies sold at the discount rate would equal 75. So 75 minus P times whatever X percent is of the full price, that equals the revenue. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different variables here that we need to find out before we could, we would need to find 3 of the 4 variables to solve this question. Statement number 1 tells us that X equals 80. So X is 80%. We now know that this is 0.8 of F. But we still don't know what F is or what P equals. How many were sold at one of the 2 prices. So statement 1 is insufficient. It's not A or D. Statement 2 tells us that the full price of each pie was $30. So this tells us that P times 30 plus, and here we don't, with statement 2, we don't know what X is. So we don't even have, we still have X percent of 30 there. So statement 2 clearly insufficient. When we combine the two together, the number of pies sold at the $30 rate plus 75 minus that number of pies sold at 80% of 30 equals the revenue. But since we still don't know the number of pies or the revenue, if we got the revenue, then we would have everything in terms of P and we could solve. Or if we had P, we could multiply it out and get the revenue. But we're still one variable short of answering the question, so even in conjunction, the 2 statements are insufficient. Answer choice E.